What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm starting my day at Allegiance Trucks. This is the international dealer that we get most of our parts from for all of our trucks, but there is a clamp here and something else. I forget exactly what it is, but there should be two things here that Matt needs to button up the red International that we did the brake job on. That truck is still up on blocks and jack stands. Matt is actually there right now working on it, starting to put it back together. So I need to run in and grab these parts and then hustle to our Orange County yard to give him everything. That way he can button that up. They have a chance of a snowstorm tonight. There was anywhere from half an inch up to 2 inches on the last weather report that I saw. There was one that came in this morning I did not look at yet, but that might have changed. And it is raining here today. I don't know if you guys caught that. This is the first time we've had rain in a very long time. I can't even remember the last time it rained, and we need it. There has been a pretty bad forest fire by us, so hopefully this will help put it out. I know they had it about 90% contained last time I heard, but hopefully this will help finish that. Anyway, let me run in and grab the parts here, and then we are heading to our Orange County yard. All right, guys, I just dropped the parts off to Matt. He's inside working on that truck. That'll be buttoned up today, and then we can throw the plows on it. I got this loader warming up. If you saw my video the other day, you know that we got a salt delivery here, and after I left, 2 more trucks showed up, so I got to get this pushed up. This one pile is actually, you know what, I'll show you real quick. I was talking about it the other day, how when they dump, I don't know why they don't, I guess because the way the bin is tapered, he can't get his dump body all the way up, but he could dump one on the left and one on the right, but that's how much of the salt is outside of the bin. And obviously some rain goes inside. You can actually kind of see like the wet mark on it. It's a bit drier out here, and that's pretty much in line with the tent. So obviously we can't leave it like that. It's gonna beep like that a lot, so don't mind that. Oh, must have been unlocked. What is going on here? Is this thing broken? There we go. That was weird. Ah, battery. Oh, I forget about that all the time. Look at our swimming pool we have here. Wait to start. muddy back here in this yard. This is also, I think it might be the first time that we've had any rain here since this whole new yard was made. So it's a good test for how the ground will handle it, I guess. All right, we'll leave this truck here. We'll move on to getting the plows out for the trucks. Well, actually, it's just the Red International, and then we have the one inside next to it that we obviously can't get out until that. The blue truck right here, this one has a plow on it. So we're in pretty good shape here. I do have to move these because we need to get this truck out. This truck is going down to our main shop tomorrow as well. We have our buddy who has a lowboy coming to move that one along with this one. Oh, actually, I got to pull the plow out for this truck. That one's actually not buried. I know exactly where that plow is. So we got to get the plow ready to go down for this truck. That way when it gets down to our main shop, it can go down this truck. The plows are in the bed here, so they'll get brought down with the truck. We do have to get the plows on the red truck, and it is crunch time. It is, let's see, what time is it? It is 1:05. So it's 1:05 and we're gonna work until probably about 5 o'clock. So we have about 4 hours to get everything ready to run for tonight. They do have a chance of snow. I'm gonna check the weather report shortly and get an update on that, but I don't know if I need the 914 anymore. I gotta go take a walk over into the yard and just make sure everything's good to go. And if we don't need to do anything over there, I'm gonna grab the keys for those other two trucks and get the one out that is buried right now that's getting moved tomorrow. All right, so I think we're good. I do have to move these forks, but I can slide them out a little bit by hand, and then we can grab this plow. I will need to put the boom on it because we'll grab this plow, lift it right over. That wing obviously is going on, and then this plow here is for the other truck. Inside, we're not going to put the wing on today. We are just going to put the front plow on. That way they have two spares here ready to go. The one with the wrap inside does not really get used. And then this plow, it's either this one or that one. I believe it's this. Yeah, this plow. This plow goes down with the other truck that's buried. So obviously this one is accessible or ready. It's not starting at all. Why not? There's in drive. I need to move this truck right now, and then I need to move the blue one back there in order to get the other truck. I don't know if you can see it in the mirror there. That truck is going on a lowboy tomorrow along with this one, so I can't have it blocked, otherwise the guy's gonna get here and not be able to grab them. I know I really should have let this thing warm up a bit, but we're gonna go nice and easy. Actually, could probably put this up on the slab. We're gonna go right through this doorway. Drop the plow right outside. Plow out on that is it for this one. Let's lock everything. Shut this battery off. We'll just park this over there because this is going inside the garage once the red truck is buttoned up and Matt pulls his truck out. Ah, battery switch. It's crazy how many times I get in a truck and forget to turn the power on. I don't need that on. We'll need it on actually. Let's see. Wait to start. So there's no air. It's got no power either. Beautiful. We did it again. Oh. All right, so while that one's building up air and that one's charging, let's park this out on the side of the building. That way, when our guy with the lowboy gets here, oh, I did it again. This is nonsense. 3 trucks in a row, I just did the same thing. At least I know that this one will start. Surprised these aren't beeping at me. There we go. A little delayed there. They're pretty close. This will only take a second and then we'll move this thing. This one here, I'm going to move that mason dump. That's Rodrigo's truck, and then we're going to park the other one in front of this. Nice. We almost have enough air. heard a weird noise. I want to check that out real quick. I don't know what it was. Could have just been the plow bouncing, but huh. I just heard it again when I shut this door. I have no clue what it is. Oh, it's my seat moving, making a weird noise. Interesting. Alright, we're just gonna park this one along the fence here for now. Beautiful. All right, guys, Matt is pulling out. This truck is all buttoned up. Wheels are on. It is running, warmed up, ready to go. I want to show you something real quick. If you remember, the studs were, well, the nuts were barely on the studs before. These are the new studs, and it is pretty much perfect now. This guy thinks he's funny, but I moved all the trucks around. This truck, me and my uncle are grabbing tomorrow morning. So we're gonna load this on the Freightliner and deliver it to the guys that purchased it. I put the two trucks that are going on our low, well, not our lowboy, on our, the guy that's towing them for me. They're going on a lowboy tomorrow and going down to our main shop. So these are ready to go. But we have to get the plows on this red truck real quick, and then we have to get a front plow on this truck in here. I am not gonna put that in this video. I'm gonna make another video of us just installing the, oh look, Matt's truck is leaking oil. Yeah, that's not good. But anyway, I am not gonna put us installing the plows on this video. All right, my camera just died there, but we're gonna throw the plows on this truck. I'm gonna make a different video of us putting the plows on that because I am going away for Thanksgiving. As long as it doesn't snow here, I have to stay. I'm actually going to Oregon to visit my sister with my whole family. So as long as the weather is dry here, or just rain, we're okay with rain, but no snow, we will be going away. So I want enough videos so while I'm gone, I don't have to worry about not posting and you guys still have some stuff to watch. But that is gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.